Hello there, my name is Emmanuel Akujobi. Welcome to my channel. I'm giving back to aspiring designers and the design community, and the main areas I'll be focusing on would be the visual identity, creative graphics and web design. This is my first YouTube video and welcome on board. My design journey started as far back as 2004 and as an aspiring designer, and since then I have designed for organizations within the tech space and TV/media space. I'm currently in the NGO space. This channel, for the most part, is a project that had actually tugged at my heart for years, and I'm glad that I'm able to take that decision to begin to put content out there for aspiring designers. This is a major leap for me because I had always wanted to do this, but the fear of you are not good enough was just there haunting me. I'm glad I was able to scale past that, and here we are. So this video is not going to be a perfect one, but we'll get better as time goes. Feel free to leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think would be better. What do you think about this video to even start with? At the very least, I want this platform to be a very interactive one. Nobody is an island of knowledge, but this is how I know how to do mine, so we can both learn. I want to be able to upload videos that you are interested in and would want to watch, so we can both learn and grow. I'm hoping that you will be inspired by my content. I'll be uploading one video per week from any of those areas I've mentioned. The aim is to help you in your design journey, and I hope I will be able to fulfill that purpose. The most important part is do click the notification bell, the like and subscribe button below, so that you will be notified whenever I put up a new video. So it's going to be a long journey, and I'm hoping that we will have fun on this ride. Ciao.